My today's topic is financial reporting, and in this video I shall explain to you definition of financial reporting, objective of financial reporting, and the uses of financial statements. Definition of financial reporting. Financial reporting is a standard accounting practice to disclose the financial information and performance of a company through its financial statements. Here, standard accounting practice means a practice which is generally adopted in all over the world to maintain accounting records. It means it is mandatory for all the businesses to disclose its financial information through its financial statements. So, the disclosure of financial information in the form of financial statements by using International Accounting Standard rules and principles is known as financial reporting. Objective of financial reporting. The main objective of financial reporting is to provide financial information regarding business entities that is useful to all its stakeholders by producing financial statements. Now, most of the users cannot insist the company to provide them specific information that they are required, and they have to rely on the financial statements produced by a business entity. So, financial reporting provide financial information to those users who need to know the performance and the financial position of a business entity. Users of financial statements. The users of financial statements are investors, lenders, suppliers, employees, government, customers, public, and managers. Investors. Investors are the providers of risk capital. Investors invest in the business in order to obtain a financial return on their investments. Investors use financial statements to make investment decisions. It means the financial statements help the investors, shareholders, or the persons who provide risk capital for the business to decide whether to buy, hold, or sell the shares of the company. So, on the basis of financial statements, they make investment decisions. Secondly, investors use financial statements for future predictions. Through the analysis of past financial performance of a company and its financial position, shareholders use financial information to predict future benefits from the business, like expected amount of dividend, etc., out of profit. Lenders. The lenders are the financial institutions who sanction long-term loan to the business entities, for example, banks, etc. And lenders use financial statements to assess the continuing ability of the borrower to pay interest and to repay the principal amount at maturity. It means financial statements help the lenders to predict whether the borrower is capable of returning the loan amount and interest payable against that loan amount. Suppliers and trade creditors. Suppliers and trade creditors provide goods on credit to a business entity, and they use financial statements to assess the credit limit that they might safely allow to the business entities. It means suppliers or trade creditors use financial statements to minimize the risk of bad debts while selling the goods on credit and to ensure the recovery of their cash. Employees. Employees are the persons who are employed to do a specific job in a business entity for wages or salaries. Employees are interested in the financial statements of a business entity to know the financial stability of their company and the profitability of the company, so they may get higher wages and bonus, etc. Because good financial position of the business entity provides job security and higher wages to its employees. Government. The government and government agencies are very much interested in the financial statements of business entities, and government agencies use financial statements for the following purpose: to make rules and regulations for economy and to decide taxation policies. That is, which industry is growing and can bear more taxation and which industry needs subsidy. Customers. Customers are the users of goods and services that a business entity provides to them. And they are interested in the financial statements of a business so they can rely on the long-term supply of goods and services which are being provided to them. Public. General public might be interested in financial statements of business entities to assess job creation or job opportunities, because good financial position of a company indicates new job opportunities for the public. Managers. Although managers are not included in the list of the users of financial statements by International Accounting Standard Board's framework, because they already have the access to all the information that they are needed. But still they use financial statements to make future policies. And that's all for today. Stay blessed.